guys, welcome back to another vlog. For today's video guys is busy na po sila papa guys. Ato na to sila dito guys at ipakita na ko sa lagi buhat dito karon guys. So bye bye muna guys. So guys, yun lang mga aking mini vlog for today. Maong recycle na gibuhat nila papa din kapita guys. So sana ma-enjoy ninyo aking video for today. Huwag ninyo kalimutan mag-like and share, comment, subscribe ang follow my FB page Jenny Timpaklaton. Anunta na makasubscribe na mo sa aking YouTube channel guys. Maong gyapon Jenny Timpaklaton gyapon guys ako ang YouTube channel. And thank you for watching guys and God bless you guys. Bye bye.